Hi guys, so my name's Ash, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about the movement that we're trying to get you guys to be aware of. And it's really about the power that big businesses hold and what we're trying to do to bring small businesses power so that the people working in them can live happy and successful lives. We're really driven by this problem we see in North America where people just cannot live a happy, stress free life. There's a big cost of living crisis, especially rent in places like Toronto, where I'm based, and Vancouver, where I used to be based. And it's a similar sentiment that's echoed through North America to the US, not perhaps including Mexico. A little bit about me, I have seen a lot of overarching issues and a lot of good things happening as well. But what we're really trying to tackle here is based on the big issues that I've seen while working at an investment bank, while working at investment funds, doing the actual analysis, and then starting my own business and scaling it to seven figures without venture capital funding, 100% bootstrapped. So I feel very passionate about bringing organization and clarity to you guys based on what I've seen happen over and over again. Something I've noticed is manufacturing just isn't coming back at scale to Canada and the US, and you could sort of compare it to a body where the brains still are to some extent Canada and the USA, and the limbs are cost competitive countries that manufacture these products. And I think what I'd like to bring about is small and medium businesses retaining the ability to dream, design, and organize as the brains of Canada and the USA. And right now, as a small and medium business, it's quite hard to be able to really manufacture a physical product easily. When you speak to manufacturers locally, when you try to get tools, is just extremely expensive. And I know it's a bit obtuse what I'm saying right now, but we're going to get into that in other videos. But the fact of the matter is, it's very difficult for small and medium businesses to produce anything because you order something and there's a 2,000 minimum order quantity with extremely high prices. Manufacturing just does not make sense. And that's the first thing we're going to tackle with our suite of tools for small and medium business. Corporate profits increasing does not mean that goes down to the regular man. Often it just gets retained as profit for the corporations. That may be passed on to pension funds and dividend in other ways, but it certainly doesn't materialize in the hand of the regular man. And our solution is to really encourage people to start their small businesses by making it super easy, super possible, and totally within the grasp to manufacture, dream, grow, save money, doing whatever they want, whatever they can dream. And I think that we're really going to be changing the dynamics between small and large businesses. We're bringing this big business economics to small and medium businesses. So that's why we're here. We're trying to bring you the tools that we've developed internally, and it's really going to blow your mind. And the first tool we're going to launch is going to be our manufacturing platform. And it is just amazing. It is so simple. We handle all the complicated stuff, and you get things to your hand delivered without worrying about customs, bills, blading, etc. 50% cheaper for me, quite often it was 80% cheaper for these things. 50% faster, and there's no minimum order quantity, no technical knowledge needed for you guys. So we're really trying to make a big change in a stagnant industry. And we really think it's going to help you guys scale significantly. And it's really going to bring about big change in North America, I think. And it's going to be super exciting couple of months. So see you guys in the next video. Peace.